guys, and welcome back to Greco Does It. Look at my buddy Nitsa's here. She's ready to walk and roll. Huh? She's ready to walk and roll, that girl. Come show yourself. Yes. Hi, buddy. What's up, Nitsa? Thanks for joining us, you guys. Alrighty, we have something showed up in the mail today. Well, I guess you guys already know from the title, but I just got my MacBook Air M4. First MacBook I bought straight from Apple, guys. The M2 that we see in the back, the M2 Max. That came, well, I bought that on Kijiji. I think right before M3 came out, or maybe just after, but I got a crazy deal on it. But yeah, so what made me buy the MacBook Air is I needed a second laptop. Like going, yeah, so I needed a second. Nitsa! Simmer! She's not happy, you guys. Look at this. Look at that face. Look at that face. Nitsa! What's your problem? What's your problem? I already gave you a comb. You already got it. You already got it, Missy. You gotta wait. We're working. We're working. We got like millions of followers watching us right now, okay? You simmer. Okay, one sec. Let me give her something. She's my best buddy, you guys. She's my best buddy. Look at the hat. She's the reason why this hat exists. There you go, my friend. There you go. You take it and go. Take it and go. Okay, as I was saying, so I needed a second laptop, mostly because I felt like buying something, which is a terrible reason, but really, I needed a second laptop because the M2 I have is the 16-inch, and it was pretty pricey. Like, it's the 64 gig Max chip one. So I always felt like nervous moving it around. So I was like, okay, well, the M4s are pretty nuts from everybody I've seen on YouTube. And I was like, why not? The price is right. My iPad is from 2018. And it's got the Intel chip. It's starting to slow down. It's going to be the last year for software updates. So I was like, okay, I'll replace my iPad with a MacBook. Another reason on top of that is the Mac OS on the iPad, or the iPad OS. I don't know, what is it called? Working on the iPad, like I don't like figuring out how to save files, moving the files. All the software looks different, and I'm just not as productive as I want it to be. So with the MacBook Air, I was like, okay, so now I'm not worrying about moving it. I can keep it, use it on the couch, I can use it on the bed. I can take it with me. I've got a nice case for it, we'll open that after. Nitsa, that's it. You're making a lot of noise. Look at this, you guys. Unreal. Unreal, this girl. Hey, you're so spoiled, you know that? Speak. Yeah. You're another one. Already. Okay, fine. Last one. Last one. Look at this, doubler. You get a doubler. I love you, buddy. Okay, take it and go. Take it and go. Take it and go. Go. Good girl. Go. Go sit. Go to your bed. That's it. Go to your bed. Let me finish. We're busy. We got millions of people watching. Whoever's watching, guys, thank you for watching. You know, if you want to give us a like and a subscribe, really sure helps the channel, you know. And I can buy more treats for Nitsa. And she's starving, you guys. She's just starving. Anyway, so now I can use my MacBook M4 Air on the bed, you guys. All right, so let's do this. Let's do this. I'll just get it out of the big brown box here. Woohoo! That's not for you. Yeah, no, we don't need the cardboard. Okay. Then we do this. Then we do this. Guess what color the Greek chose, you guys? That was another reason why I bought this. The freaking Sky Blue. Always wanted a silver. I got the space gray MacBook. Always wanted a silver. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I can already see the blue. Oh yeah, I can see the blue. Alright my friends, let's put this on here. Let's put this on here and then we'll put you guys up here and we'll unbox it together. See the blue. Alrighty, now we're on the table. So you guys probably know the pricing of these. They came down a bit, but I didn't buy the base model. I bought the one with, it doesn't even say on the back of the box. I hope to build the right one. It's supposed to have 24 gigs of RAM and what's it called? Oh, there it is. Yeah, 24 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of, half a terabyte of storage. Okay guys, here we go. Here we go. Yes. Ooh. So I'm supposed to flip it back over. Put it down. Moment of truth. How you've seen. I hope. Maybe this is the first one. But wow. Like wow. Wow, you guys. Wow. Yeah, so it's so much lighter too than the MacBook Pro. So yeah, I'll be doing some small clips of video editing. Like I'll try and video edit this video on there. But then I have to get better at my thumbnails. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. So nice. So no fingerprints, you can see. Wow, so nice, you guys. Love it. Love it. Got a little charger here. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it for sure. For sure. Oh yeah, then you can once you upgrade, if you don't get the base model, you have a choice of either getting the 35-watt double brick charger, or you can get the 70-watt. I chose the 70 because, you know, I'm all about speed. Oh, whatever. There we go. There we go. Brand new brick. This reminds me of the old, the original bricks that they used to give you. Remember those days, guys? Do you remember? Do you remember the time when we fell in love? Oh yeah. Wow, guys. Wow, I love it. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Nitsa, we're almost done. I gotta show them the rest. Stop. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. She's so spoiled, you guys. So spoiled. But she earned it. She's the best, buddy. Okay, so now this is with my brightness up on my lamp here over my desk. Let's change the light. Oh, there we go. Okay. It's a little bit more blue. Less blue. More blue, less blue. Oh, this is a nice hue. That's probably the blue light hue. Ooh, even more blue. What do you guys think? Hey, let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? Okay, awesome. So light, so thin. Oh my goodness, yes. Okay, let's open it up for the first time. Wow. Wow, you guys. Hooray. Take this thing off. And there it is. Nice little keyboard. I like the 13-inch model better because this part is like narrower. My Greek Tourette's is coming up. This part's narrower, so I don't know, it just look better. There's that one, and there's this one, and there's that one, and that's that little troublemaker right there. What you looking for? You're so silly. Just wait. Okay, you guys, well, that's the review for that. I'm going to turn this off. Thanks for watching. And I'm gonna show you guys the case I got for it real quick before I get logged in and stuff and do my thing. Thank you for watching. If you guys like this video, please give me a like and subscribe. Mostly subscribe, that really helps. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a good night.